I'm Rob Skeoch. I was out driving around and I came upon this old rusted out truck. And I thought, you know what, that might be a nice subject to use for my new 35 f2.8 lens. So this is how it all worked out. This is what the truck looks like in the parking lot. I was driving by on the highway and I saw this old truck turn into the lot. And I've actually found it before. I've seen it before, so a little bit familiar with it. And I'm shooting with a 35 2.8 on a Leica, and it's the 7ARTISANS new 35 2.8. I don't think the picture of the truck itself is that exciting. I mean, the background's all scrappy. These color ones are shot with my iPhone. But I zoomed in on the hood, and I'm shooting at f8 with this lens, and I'm using Kentmere 200 film. Now, and then I'm printing this in the darkroom and scanning in the print. That's kind of my process. Process the film at home, make the print, scan it. These shots, these first ones of the hood, I thought that was probably the most exciting angle, and I'm kind of focused right on the C, and then some of the shots are focused right on those bolts. Anyways, that's what I got with the 35, and this is kind of like the minimal focusing distance. And then I thought, you know, this truck door is interesting. I mean, it seems to be wired shut with some old pieces of wood and stuff. So I did a detail shot, again, minimal focus distance. I did a detail shot of the door, and then I did a detail shot again of the door latch, the door where the key goes in, just focusing on that sort of key slot. So all of these are at f8. All of them are with the 7ARTISANS 35 f2.8 on a Leica. It probably was an M6. And they're all at minimal focus. Anyways, I found them interesting. It's the kind of thing you have to kind of walk around it a little bit, and maybe there's a picture. Maybe it's interesting. Maybe it needs to be done in color because the colors are so interesting. I was only shooting in black and white. So these are the couple of shots that I got. I was looking at the time to utilize this new lens. I had tested it, I had used it a bit, and I had a lot of rainy days. And I just thought, if I could get a couple of nicer days that weren't raining, I'd get out and shoot with this lens. So these are a couple of shots of this old truck with the 7ARTISANS 35 f2.8. Now, if you're interested or you like the idea of an inexpensive 35mm lens, I do have a link below that will take you to their store and to their page where you can purchase this lens. I do get a kickback if you do that. So if you're interested, follow the link and it'll take you to the 7ARTISANS store. Interesting lens, seems nice and sharp. I've been enjoying using it for a couple of weeks now.